welcome to Wine Crush Wednesday. I'm Katie Leverett, and here at Hooray, we enjoy celebrating the everyday. And I'm really excited to talk to you about a wine, a tip, and a product today. So the wine that we have for you guys today is called Burlwood. There it is. It is a Chardonnay. It is super good. It's kind of a medium-bodied Chardonnay. It's a little bit on the dry side, but it has all the notes that you would like in a Chardonnay. It's got the little bit of oak. It's got a little bit of butter, a little bit of citrus flavor. And the good news about this bottle is it is under $5. I found this at Aldi, and I was really surprised at how good it was for the price. There is, however, a little bit of an issue. It tastes a little bit acidic, which is nothing you ever want in a wine. So one of the tips that I want to share with you today is a trick to turn that cheap wine that tastes okay into really great wine. So what you'll do is you pour the whole bottle into the blender. Turn the blender on for 90 seconds. That's going to aerate your wine. So it gets a lot of air in there. It ages it faster. And when it's done, you are going to be shocked at the results. All you have to do is turn it on for 90 seconds. Set the timer on your phone because 90 seconds is actually a really long time when you're washing a blender. And you don't want to cheat yourself out. You want to keep it going for that full 90 seconds. So you'll turn it on. And you'll see here it looks kind of frothy like a margarita. That's going to settle down and it's going to look like a normal bottle of wine when you're done. So this is a great thing to remember when you're hosting a party. Bring out one or two nice bottles of wine, and then after that, bring out a decanter. Before the people come over, pop this stuff in blender, pour it in a decanter, make it look super fancy and beautiful, and no one is going to know that you are serving them a $5 bottle of wine. One of my favorite products is Kelby cups. These are insulated tumblers. They're to-go cups. You can put anything in them. You can put cold stuff, hot stuff. They work. They're a great product, and what I especially love is all the color options. These are just two of the many that they have. We have a link to this product on our blog, so please go out and check out our sponsor, Kelby Cup. And I hope that everybody will rush out to the grocery, pick up a cheap bottle of wine, bypass that good stuff today, save your money for the weekend. And I hope everybody has an awesome Wine Crush Wednesdays. Cheers to you guys.